Hello and welcome to Fandom Friday, where a member of the Rogers Public Library staff tells you something that they are a fan of. I'm Evan Day, the young adult librarian, and I am here to talk to you about how you can use tags in our catalog to find new books for you to read that you might be a fan of. First off, I'm going to go to the Rogers Public Library website, rogerspubliclibrary.org, search for Cytonic. That is a book I just read, the third book in the Skyward series by Brandon Sanderson. I highly recommend it. It's a very exciting science fiction fantasy book. Anyway, I'm going to click on the book itself, having just read it, and maybe I want to read books that are similar. I'll scroll down past a lot of this other stuff that I've shown you before and look at the tags. Now, let's select a tag that I might want more of, like science fiction. There's a lot of books here, a lot of science fiction books, but let's narrow it down a little. Let's make our selection just a little bit easier. Like here's select the tag space opera. So now we have science fiction and space opera. Perhaps American science fiction. Let's see, war. So now we've narrowed our search down even further, and we have a whole host of different books that we might find very interesting. Now, what else could we find? Let's check just to show you how different this search can go if we search another tag, action and adventure. Let's restrict it to fiction, so we don't have nonfiction books in here. Young adult, for the age group we might be interested in. How about romance? Okay, see about that. And what else? Maybe one other tag. Yes, magic. Let's find books that have magic. So now we have a selection of books that we might find very interesting. But maybe I don't find magic as a very helpful tag, and I can actually eliminate it as well to go back. Now here's a interesting thing. You can actually go up in here and search for your own tags. Let's say female characters. Maybe I want to find books that have female characters in them. As we see, now we have a list of different books with the tag female characters. Now let's try, maybe I'm interested in a book on World War II. Let's search for that. Well, a lot of books there. Let's restrict it to nonfiction because I want books that are about history. And, well, let's see. I want to focus in on the Europe theater. So let's find books about World War II that are history books that are nonfiction and restricted to Europe. Yeah, I've got a couple of books that look kind of interesting. Go ahead and go into the catalog and explore for yourself. That's all for this week. We'll see you next week with another Fandom Friday.